Alright, y'all, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Mwah, mwah, I miss you. You miss me, G. Come on, man. It ain't gotta be like that. It ain't what you think. I'm just giving you a little love, you know what I'm saying? It's the one and only Hugh up next. How y'all living? Y'all good? Y'all straight? Great. Man. Before the video start, would you please go on here, like the video. Like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe and smash your notification bell. I'm talking about come like windmill, put your arm in there like Vince Carter. You know, follow my social medias, all that down below. And today I got a hilarious video for y'all today. I put a compilation of Memphis checking. You know, our Memphis checking style. You know what checking is. It's a form of what y'all call roasting, you know. But we call it in Memphis, we call it checking, we call it flaming, peeling, whatever, you know, pick your poison. You know, Memphis, I feel like Memphis, we do this the best. You know, we at the funniest people that do this. Shout out to Girl Hero, Flamaholics, Marcus 901. But shoot, shout out to me. I'll find somebody else too on me. But anyway, man, we need some little laughter out here in the airwaves, you know. Too much sadness going on. So I'm gonna bring y'all this little funny video. I try not to react to what everybody else react to. But anyway, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. We gonna get to laughing, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next scene. Y'all, let's get it. I already know. Y'all see I ain't chopped. If I was in high school, somebody instantly say Brillo pad hair ass nigga. Play.
Video, man. Who's Bigelow looking at nigga? Tom Hanks looking at nigga? Fish man looking at nigga? Taco salad,
Taco. Bro, this so petty, bro. This is our newscaster, y'all. I guess it's like at one of the protests. Them folks start finding the newscaster up. He was in the wrong place at the wrong time. It happened to the best of us. It's happened to me a lot. Fly his ass. Flash your ass.
Dude, I love the ring, man. Nigga, man. Hang on, man. Nigga, man. Big check the jack, nigga, man. Noodle sandwich.
Noodle sandwich.
Police looking at nigga. Look at that man right there, hot dog head ass nigga, man. Suit.
Them boys that look at him right there, hot dog. That made the newscaster leave, G.
Nigga.
It's tough, man.
Who this person? Maybe somebody's trying to connect to my life. I don't know them.
Shit, what going on? What we got going here? We roast?
Oh my God.
Yeah, who is you?
Man, you look like a parrot looking ass nigga, man. What's up, man? You been kissing car fenders, ain't it, man?
Babe, come here.
What's up, man? Yeah, bring your ugly ass boyfriend on. Love nut eating ass nigga, man.
Introduced to the Memphis
chicken. You better not be ugly in the motherfucker. What's up, man? You eat eyeshadow, don't it, man? Bring your boyfriend herringbone eating ass on here, man. Tell that nigga get his middle linebacker smelling ass on here, man. What's up, man? That man play football for Target, don't it, man? What's up, man? Mississippi mud frog looking at young nigga, man.
That man said he played football for Target, G. He's like a Mississippi mud frog. Oh my God. Giving him them
Tell that nigga get it plugging in. Back on here, man. What's up, man? Cow pasture smelling ass nigga, man. Big dick ass nigga, man. Fat nostril ass nigga, man. Big tonsil ass nigga, man. Little eyebrows ass nigga, man. What's up, little knuckles ass nigga, man? You got 5 thongs for fingers, don't it, man?
You got thongs for fingers.
Ass nigga, man. Nasty eyes ass nigga, man. You ain't washed your face this morning, didn't you, man? Hepatitis sandwich eating ass nigga, man. What's up with it, my nigga? Little eyes, big eyes ass nigga, man. What's up, man? You been drinking washing powder, ain't it, man? Faultless stars eating ass nigga, man. I'm from Memphis, man. We do this shit. Tell your baby get it ugly ass back on here, man. Rhinoceros pup looking ass nigga, man. I ain't no ass nigga, man.
Did it?
Joseph the jumping jog looking ass nigga, man. Tell him get it big jugging out head ass back on here. What's up, man? Look at this ass girl, man. You got your hair from Cadillac Records, didn't you, man? Hey, your girl got man, your girl got the hair like Beyonce had on Cadillac Records. Going on, shitty teeth ass nigga, man. What's up, man? With a t-shirt on little beard ass nigga, man. Collard green water drinking ass
Collard
nigga,
green.
man.
Oh,
Oil change eating ass nigga, man. Shitty apple pie ass nigga, man. Antifreeze drinking ass nigga, man.
What's up, man? Important popsicle posing ass nigga, man. What's up with you, man? Broke up ice cream bucket chewing ass nigga, man. What's up, man? Start a fight with a brake light looking ass nigga, man. What going on, man? Hot ironing board burger eating ass nigga, man. What's up, man? Extension cord.
Whoa. Hot ironing board burger eating ass. I gotta write that one down. Hot ironing, bruh.
Extensions chewing ass nigga, man. What going on? Sewage flavored butt burger eating ass nigga, man.
Sewage flavored butt burger. Here you go with the copyright, so y'all know I gotta turn it off.
Oh, you fresh as hell. What's up, man?
Man, check the ground here.
Looking ass nigga, all black affair cockroach looking ass nigga, Freddy Krueger looking ass nigga, Nightmare on Look on Street looking ass nigga.
Up, man, some big ass khakis wearing ass nigga, my mama hips having ass nigga, a young Joe Brown looking ass nigga, people's court dressing ass nigga. It's all.
He had to welcome Iguodala to the city when he was here.
All state is in your hands. Posing ass nigga, my granddaddy clothes wearing ass nigga, a librarian teacher dressing ass nigga, a stage play cooking looking ass nigga, President Obama picture taking ass nigga, approach headed to a trial looking ass nigga. So long. I believe I can fly. Collar ass nigga, 1996 swag having ass nigga, Uncle Prince jeans wearing ass nigga, life after the NBA dressing ass nigga, my arms keep sliding. Nigga, 3 sizes too big shirt ass nigga, private school student dressing ass nigga, my driver license picture taking ass nigga, undiscovered Ed looking ass nigga, barbecue flavor corn nugget head ass, 6 different type of teeth having ass nigga, karate chop teeth ass nigga, one in front of the other teeth ass nigga, football flicks teeth ass nigga, Rubik's Cube teeth ass nigga, I look Memphis, put your shit together teeth ass nigga, poisonous snail looking ass nigga, too many overbites having ass nigga, balled up church sock head ass nigga, discontinue honey bun looking ass nigga. God damn, boy. Man, the white airhead looking ass nigga, man. What's up? Highway patrol officer looking ass nigga, man.
That highway patrol officer.
Lips ass nigga, man. What's up? Uncooked biscuit skin ass nigga, man. Church.
Got some kids. Got the kids. I wonder what they gonna. I wonder what they gonna check. Eddie Griffin. Eddie Murphy.
Damn, nigga, me and my friends, we just turned up good time, nigga.
Booker T. Washington. You gotta hit him with all that. That's it, G. Alright, that's it, man. That's it. Hey, man, that's it, G. That's it. This was hilarious, bro. I wish I could have played the Subrico part a little bit more through, but he had too much copyright. I can't deal with it. I can't deal with it, G. When he was checking Grow Hero, I can't deal with it. But, bro, this was so funny. Memphis, we do this. I'm telling y'all, we got jokes for days, G. I'm talking about for days. These folks can go on checking you from first period. Nah, forget first period. From the bus stop and when you return the bus stop till you get home. And if you got Instagram, Facebook, they might check you on there. That's how it is in Memphis, man. These folks don't care. If they catch you slipping, at a store, anywhere, they find you up. That's just how it is in Memphis, G. But my city gotta be the funniest. We do it, man. If y'all like the video, go ahead and let me know what y'all think. I appreciate y'all viewing the video. This was hilarious. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next scene.
Kinesis.